I have a psychic and spiritual development workshop coming up. And so I thought I'd just hop online to tell you a little bit about what that entails. The 2 day workshop is very different to the 6 week online training that I run. It focuses on you working with a person. So you work with somebody that's on the workshop with you. And we do things like psychometry, taking a piece of jewelry or a watch, and sensing what we can tell about a person from that piece of jewelry. We've all got this ability to tune in to other people and into situations, and we learn to refine it on the workshop so that we can then use that ability in our day-to-day lives. We're also going to focus on the psychic abilities of clairvoyance, clairaudience, and clairsentience. Clairvoyance, the ability to see things like guides, auras, symbols. Clairaudience, the ability to hear information from another person. Clairsentience, when we get a feeling about something. There's one other, claircognizance, which is about just knowing. And so as you go through the 2 days, it's a very practical 2 days. We're going to use tools like crystals. We're going to use tools like tarot cards. We may use pendulums. Each of the workshops is different. We'll look at past lives. Who have you been in a past lifetime? And can you read somebody else's past lifetime? And can you connect with a guide? So it's an action-packed 2 days, one that's designed to build your confidence in your psychic abilities so that in your day-to-day life, you can tune in better to get better answers for yourself and, if you wish, better answers for others. So I hope you'll join me for a 2 day psychic and spiritual development.